On this video, I'm gonna take you to a little shopping trip into Hobby Lobby and find some foliages for a wreath that I'm making for this summer. Hello everyone, I am Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel, we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects, and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. Today, I am so excited because we're gonna go on a shopping trip to Hobby Lobby. I want to create a beautiful greenery wreath where I'm going to be able to insert fresh flowers. I want to show you that wreath on our next video, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's go shopping. Selecting your silk flowers, make sure they look realistic. Exhibit A is these rows. It really looks like something you would find in like a Chinese market, but this one right here, it's really pretty and it has a lot of detail to it. The rose is a little bit fuller, and then also they have a lot of detail in the foliage, so I would definitely go for this guy, and this is only $6.99. It's half off, so you can go wrong with that one. Now let's talk about this one. This is really also one of my favorites. It's very similar to the foliage ones, but this one, as you guys can see, is really realistic as well. It's only $24.99. It's only half off, so that's another buy when it comes down to flowers. This is a really pretty peony bush, and it has a whole bunch of blooms in it, and it's so really realistic. This is a good pick. That gives you a lot of bang for your buck because it covers a lot of your wreath form when it comes down to making a wreath, and it looks really realistic. Now the other ones that I like are these bushes right here because they come with some flowers. This is really pretty actually for fall, and some greenery and some accent flowers. So this is something that you would buy one bushel for one wreath and just add some other foliages and you'd have a really pretty wreath. So what I'm looking for today is some greenery because I'm making a wreath that I'm going to add a whole bunch of fake or silk greenery and fresh flowers. So this guy right here is one of my favorites. It's a fern. It's only $4.99. It's really a lot of product for $4.99, and you want to look for something that looks realistic when you fluff it and that the silk quality is really good. So this guy is coming home with me for that wreath. I think I'm gonna take two of this. Now the other thing I can recommend is mixing your foliages, and this is also really pretty hostas. If you guys can see, it has a line in the middle just like the real ones do. These guys are also $6.99 half off, so also coming home with me. And the reason why I want to do that is because you want to create a whole bunch of texture when you're doing a greenery wreath. Let me see what else we can find and we'll be back with you. Okay, so this is my favorite fern that Hobby Lobby carries, and they've carried it for quite a few years now. It looks so realistic and it has so much product. For $21.99, something like this, you can actually pot a few of them together on a pot and just make it look like a fern that grows outside. And guess what? You don't have to water it, so it's definitely a must. But my favorite one of all times is right over here. It's this bush right here. This is my go-to foliage when I make a wreath. It is only, I believe, $12.99 and it's half off, so we're gonna take two of these for this wreath that I'm making. Let me keep looking and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these and here one of. Okay, so this is what I call a winner because if you guys can see, it has all kinds of foliages in it. It has some grasses and it has some ferns and it has some ivies, and when you break it apart and put it into your wreath, it really gives you that texture that we're looking for. Now here's the thing, when you're out shopping at Hobby Lobby and if you're not gonna buy it, make sure you put it where you grab it, because I really don't like it when people grab stuff and then just place it somewhere else, because when I'm looking for them, I like to find them where they're supposed to be. Pumpkins and gourds and sunflowers, oh my, fall is coming, so give me a thumbs up if you're ready for our fall series. Don't forget to look in the aisles where the florals are, not just so much the bundles and the bushels and the stems, because sometimes you can find things like this guy right here. It's only $1.99. It's half off, so that means it's about 99 cents. This is a really great steal for perhaps a swag or to even cut it up and introduce into a wreath. So I think we're gonna take a few of these greeneries to make this wreath that I'm talking about. Here is a little hint of what's coming next at Ramona Home for the holiday season. I think you guys will love it. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for Christmas. This viburnum stem is only $9.99. It's half off, and it is really pretty and realistic. It has a lot of the foliage, and it's a really long stem. So I would say go out to your local Hobby Lobby and get yourself some, because it's really good quality for only $5. It's always so much fun going shopping at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna show you what I got and what you will need for this fabulous summer wreath. The first thing I got was this beautiful bushel of palm leaves. These guys are so inexpensive, and as you guys can see, you get a whole bunch of product for next to nothing. My biggest secret I can give you is wait till they're half off. The second thing I got is this beautiful fern. I love it because it's long, and you guys will love the way this looks on the wreath that I'm gonna make. The idea of the wreath is that I want it to look like real foliage, and then I'm gonna show you how to put fresh flowers in it. So if you want to see that, you have to come back for the next video. Now I have 3 of these stems. I think you get a lot of bang for your buck because they're so long and you can always cut them. So I got 3 of them, and they were so inexpensive as well. You love the way that looks on the wreath. And the last thing I got was this other small fern, because I love the contrast of bigger foliage and smaller foliage. These are the things that you're gonna need for you to make that wreath that I'm gonna show you how to do on our next video. Alright you guys, well that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Now I want to turn it over to you. Let me know what is your favorite thing to shop for at Hobby Lobby. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Ramona Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye. It's always fun going shopping at Hobby. Hello everyone, I am Ramon, and this is Ramona Home. On this channel we talk about interior. Hello everyone, I am Ramon, and this is Ramona Home. Hey everyone, I'm so excited because I want to show. Hey everyone, I'm so excited because we're going shopping.